Dear students, we come across a parameter called mechanical advantage. This is used for checking the effectiveness of a mechanism. In short, it's a performance parameter. Mechanical advantage has got three versions. It is expressed as ratio of load to effort or velocity at input to velocity at output. Finally, torque at output to torque at input. Mechanism attains a value wherein mechanical advantage is equal to infinity. That means on the input side, if a smaller quantity is given or smaller magnitude of torque or effort, if it is given, that yields to higher output. This position is called toggle position. So, toggle position refers to a configuration attained by a mechanism where smaller inputs yields larger output. Now, let us try to understand this with a simple example. In a crank slider mechanism, when the piston is at inner dead center or outer dead center, velocity of piston is zero. That means mechanical advantage is equal to infinity. So, in one revolution, it is attaining the value of infinite two times. Mechanical advantage equal to infinity is a situation wherein you are supposed to take the leverage by giving the small inputs, and that will yield higher output. Now, if we apply the similar approach to our daily life, in a 24-hour day, there is a time slot which gives you maximum output. The challenge is to find where is that time slot. But to find that time slot, you need to work continuously throughout the day. And that sets your momentum. And you will be able to attain a state mentally, physically, that yields maximum output. Now, after you understand this situation and apply that in your life, I want you to write down in the comment box what is that activity sets your momentum and what is the time slot wherein you are able to yield maximum output. I'll be waiting to see your comments. Thank you.